Sometimes, you might have seen a poll in Threads. If you want to post your own poll in Threads, you can do that. In this video, we'll explain how to post a poll in Threads. First, open the Threads app. You'll see a plus button here. Click on that plus button. When you click on it, you'll see a poll option and click that button. Once you do, you'll need to type your question first. By default, you'll see options set to yes and no. If you want to change them, just click there and type whatever you want. You can also type whatever you want in the no position. If you want to add another option, click on Add Another Option. When you click that, you'll see a new line to add an option. Want more options? Click Add Another Option again, and you can keep adding more. Anyway, after that, if you want to add a location, click the Location button, and you can add one. If you need to search for a location, you can do that here. For example, I'm selecting this location. Below, you'll see anyone can reply, quote, and vote. That means anyone can vote. So, everyone can vote on this poll. But if you want to restrict it, you can choose profiles you follow or mention only. If you pick profiles you follow, only people you follow can vote. Or, with mention only, only those you've mentioned in the post can vote. Anyway, I'm choosing anyone so everyone can vote. After that, to post the poll, click Post. Once you do, the poll will be posted. Then, if you click the profile button and scroll down, you'll see your poll right there. That's how you can easily post a poll in Threads. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.